Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Sid, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So as you know, we talk a lot in this channel how to make money online, and especially with affiliate marketing. So today again, this video is here to help some of you, to help maybe somebody want to get started with affiliate marketing. You either want a free solution or a completely affordable solution. So this video is for you. I'm gonna show you a system that you can get for free and start to make money, start to build your list, and just start to promote other products without having to pay all those online softwares that many affiliate marketers are using. So before that, I just want to say this solution is a starting point, is here to help those of you who want to get started. Don't forget, the best thing you can do for your online business is to get started first, keep going second, and third, become better. So that's the things I really wish to all of you. So I'm going to share my screen and show you what I'm talking about, but I will show you. In fact, the beauty of this system is that it's completely done for you. You don't have to put you don't have to know many things. You don't have to be an expert as an affiliate marketer, because the system is beginner friendly. The only thing you got to do is just to copy and paste and put your links at the right places. So, okay, that's it. I'm going to share with you my screen and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So here is the system. The system is called Lead Lightning. I'm going to put the link below. It's completely free for you to join, but there's another option that I highly recommend you. And guess what? The option doesn't need you to pay a monthly fee. The option doesn't need you to pay a huge amount of money. In fact, the option is very, very cheap, that you will maybe not believe it, but you just have to pay $777. So let's see together. So here what you get with Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning will almost do the job that most of the great software such as ClickFunnels, such as Kartra are doing. I mean that helping you to build your list and helping you to send messages, autoresponders to your email and promote other products. And the other cool thing is that if you are getting started with affiliate marketing, maybe you don't know how to write emails. You know, that is another challenge that a lot of new affiliate marketers face. And yeah, I knew that. So if you don't know how to write some good selling email, this system has already great emails completely done for you. You just need to copy and paste. If you want to adjust it for yourself, I highly recommend you to do so, but you don't have to have this kind of skill before you start to make money or to promote this website. So here you can see on this website there's a lot of great testimonial about people who have just get started with this one. If you want, you can listen to that, but the things I want to show you is here. This is the features you're gonna get. As I told you, it's completely easy to use. You will see, you will not be lost in that system. You can build your list easier. You don't have a monthly fees, and you can boost your enrollment if you want to upgrade, because there are several levels. But this one, I think that as a beginners, you just need to stay there. Either you get the free option, which is completely fine, or you get the $7 option, which is great. All right, so here's one for all, all just 7 one time for life. You don't have to pay an extra fees after this one, and you own it. It become yours. You get your identifications numbers, and that's all. So in this website, you're gonna have some sales funnel already done. And you know, the other great thing that I really want to point out is that if you don't have, because this website has already landing page done, that's why you can easily build your email list, because you don't have to build yourself the landing page. The landing page is already done. Even if you want to promote the paid version, because you know there's the 7 and there's the free. The landing pages are completely done, and guess what? The emails that you get are yours. So once you get those emails, another cool thing will happen is that you will be able to promote some links, some other products, as I've told you, but the system also promotes itself to your email list. Let's say you do solo ads and you are buying clicks, and when those people join your list, either you're gonna follow them up with your with this software, or this software will just follow them up easily and simply. The only thing I'm going to show you where you're going to do that, you will just need to put your link completely free. So let's just see together some great features that you're going to get here. You know, a done for you autoresponder campaign, beginner friendly business in a box. You know, it's something already done. You just need to open it and ready to go. So yeah, you have a contact manager, so you can divide your contact, you can split it, do many things with that. You have some great training inside, and I'm going to show you this to do. You have a marketing app, unique app. You have an instant commission of $6 every time you will promote it to somebody. You will be able to make $6 for each $7 purchase. I mean, it's maybe 80% of commission. Isn't beautiful? I think it is. So let's move on. Okay, so this is the thing. You can see a lot of people have just tested the product, and yeah, to get started, you just need to push here and boom, you're ready to go. I will put the link in the description for you guys. Don't forget to check it. So the last thing I want to do is just to show you how it looks. Now, I just want to show you some great features that you will get by being a part of this great software. Yeah, so guys, get ready. Okay, the last thing that I want to show you is my screen inside of the system. Once you will decide to get started, either with the free version or the paid version, you will get on this page little lighting. You see, you also have the possibility to join the Facebook group, where you can ask any question you have about the system. Anything you want, you can ask it there. So here are the things goes. If you want to promote a link, as I told you, the system self promote itself to your email list. But if you have a link, you want to promote it, guess what? You just need to put it here. You put your link, maybe a ClickBank link, maybe another website link, whatever it is, but you just need to put your link right here. And once you've done that, the system will include your link inside of the emails that is already built for you. So you don't have to look for the words, the right word, the good words. The system has done it completely for you guys. So I think that is completely good for beginners. And if you want to promote it for yourself, you want to send it somewhere, you can just click here, show me. You have the link for the free one and for the $7 one. So let's say you want to build your list and you want to promote the $7. Yeah, now just have it to connect very quickly. Yeah, you know, this is another option, but I don't recommend it. For if you want to, you can get it, but for me now, I'm not interested. So we're gonna skip it. Okay, so yeah, this is where you get your links. Yeah, that's your links that you can put on Facebook, on YouTube, on Google, on your, if you have a blog post, you can put it on your blog, whatever you want, wherever your customers, your followers, your buyers are, you can put it right there in front of them. So that is a good thing. So if you want to put those links some places such as YouTube, Facebook, but you don't know what kind of words you need to have, how to communicate, how to promote it, with what type of word you need to put. I'm going to show you another great things that this software has completely done for you. You don't have to find the right words by yourself, because the words have already been done. That's the beauty of this system. That's the beauty of this system. You don't have to look for the words, you know. On when you click on training, you can just scroll down, and you have some text here. You have email swaps if you want to send emails. You have banner swap for maybe for your blog. You have video marketing. You know, those things are already done and are just templates or words you can use right now in order to promote. Let's say you want to make a Facebook post and promote this link, or maybe an Instagram post. So listen, here is the type of thing you can just use, copy and paste. Let's say you can use this one. I'm going to use this one. It's more attractive. You know, you just read them, make 277 to 984 weekly with my new push button money getting system. You know, it's completely done, and people will react to those words. And you don't have just one, you have more than 10. You know, all these words, you can just copy them, paste on your Facebook, Google, Instagram, whatever it is, and put your link, guys. So that's what I wanted to show with you. I hope this website, this system has motivated you to get started. For those of you who want to get started right now with an affordable solution, so this the one really for you guys. And after that, if you want, you can go to those softwares such as ClickBank, Kartra, Bureau. You can go there, but I think that as a starting point, you can just decide to get there. Don't forget that we put the link below. So I tell you, bye-bye. Remember, my name is Sean, and here you are, Intermediate Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So take care, and I say bye-bye.